Love watching the waves.
I'm in love with you, Brandon.
Welcome to Dating Advice with Gabby. Justin, what's your question?
How do you tell if a girl likes you?
She doesn't!
Oh my god, there she is.
Okay, just wait. Wait, what do I say?
I'm so nervous right now.
Okay, I'm going.
Can you pass my water? Why?
Got the people sing. Brooklyn sing. I see insane.
You got it all, believe it. When you forget up, if you forget up,
I'm gay.
I
have crippling depression.
Can't help feeling we could have had it.
It's time to play Who Stole the Drugs? Was it me?
Was it me?
I think it's him. Fucking pink fairies every.
Oh my god, there's a fire!
No, I'm just cooking.
Oh, I'm sorry, are you a smoke detector? That's what I thought, shut up.
It was at this moment Jackson knew. He fucked up.
Cut my life into pieces.
This is my chocolate bar!
It's time to play Who's Infected? Is it me? Me? Him.
If there's one thing in this house I know how to do, it's how to cook. Alright, what are you making, fire over there?
Oh my god, look at that face.
If you're feeling suicidal, you've come to the right place.